What up, guys? It's your girl, Manny Meeks, and I am back with more Yashahime Half Demon Princess. You guys, this is a very nice nostalgia kick for me. I like seeing the world and I like hearing about the characters. I like seeing these characters. Towa is my girl, and so is I can never say her name. What is it? I'm gonna call her Beniyasha because that's what I remember, and that's easiest for me to say right now. It's like Monora. I can't say it. Dog, it's too much for me right now. Too much. Too much. But I'm enjoying all these characters, and like I said before in the other 5 videos, I'm gonna say again, where is everybody? Why don't you know your parents? What the hell is going on? Why is everybody t-shirts way too damn long? Points if you know where that's from. But if you're enjoying any content on my channel, gameplays, reviews, reactions, whatever I got going on, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here, you're here. Let's be here together. And I think this might be going up tomorrow. And if it does go up tomorrow, which is a Tuesday, it's a very good day because it's Xbox Series X day. And I have to wrap up all of my stuff here and take it upstairs and say a little prayer and goodbye and bless it to my baby. But jeez. And if you want to support the channel, there are links down below in the description box. Affiliate links, Hot Topic Box Lunch, Entertainment Earth. You can use those to support the channel if you want to. You don't have to. But if you do, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Thanks. And yes, so what did we have last time? I think last time was the bone demon that literally removed the bones and left the shell of the skin like some gummy. I don't even know, dog. It was just weird. It was weird. And we learned that Beniyasha turns into Beniyasha when she puts the lipstick that belonged to the great dog demon's wife, and it helps her gather her demon energy so that she can turn into a problem, but for only a minute. And then after that, she passes out. So she had no memory of killing him, but apparently she did, or very severely injured him because she didn't kill him. She didn't get his head. And then she sold the rest of the body, and apparently she had a credit there or something, and she needed to get the head to complete the deal to get the rest of the money to pay off whatever she owes. However, when everybody came a running, they kind of destroyed the whole demon completely, so there's nothing, and she gets no money, no nothings. And yeah, so that's kind of weird. But what else? Did we learn anything interesting? That there were 4 demons that had the pearls before the girls did, and since they each have one of the demons still has hers or his. And we learned that the tree of tree of time, tree of travel tea, I can't remember what the tree is called. I'm gonna call it Kikyo tree. The Kikyo tree is kind of sicking the 4 demons on the girls. I don't know what this tree really wants, but she wants something. And so we're gonna go ahead and jump into episode 6 of Yashahime. What is it called? The cat wand at the old temple. Okay. Sure. I just want to know what happened. That's it. I thought there was nothing left, unless it's a different demon. She's a bitch. I said I didn't care. Why is she standing in the basket like that? Oh, let's listen to music. Ciao. Moroha. I'm gonna say it wrong all the time. I'm mad. All 3 of them on her bike. Did that even stop anything? Oh, that bike is in 2 pieces. Well. Wow, take care of the cats? Bruh, what the hell? Girl, do you not see the damn cat? Bruh, kill all these cats. Kill them. Yup, you better hit him. Cat bleeds. Fucking these cats all the way up. Why are there so many of them? Y'all just gonna leave the bodies there? Can you like burn them? That's cute. Ma'am. You have them. See my face? I knew it. Girl, can you smell? Are you not smelling the air? What's happening? Mm-hmm. What is this? What is this? She gonna be asleep. Bruh. Fucking up these cats. Killing all these cats is hilarious, because what are you gonna do with these bodies? Brother, you knew. Dig it under the ground. Sir, I still don't trust you. What in the hell? Wow. Did you just cut it in half? He's keeping her in. Why? I knew it! Kill him! Oh, she got bomb bombs. Everybody's controlling bones. Beat his ass. Kill his ass. They can hear you. Kill his ass. Kill his ass dead. All these fucking cats. I would be dead anyways. You wanna know why? I'm allergic to cats. Okay, well maybe don't kill him. Beat his ass. Bitch, beat his ass. Oh.
そして温情で唱えた経がわしの魂を呼び起こすこととなった。わしは救いなど求め
Like I said, beat his ass.
覚悟しろ。待て、セツナ。ジュアンさんは化け猫に乗っ取られているだけなんだ。
どうする？坊主ごと切るか。
Yeah, what about that? Oh wow. She don't give a fuck.
猫の手。
Wow. Can you punch him?
そんな。
So is there anything you can... Girl, you better dodge duck. Bruh.
イニエシャ様の手伝いがならば相手の揚力だけを奪ってしまえるのですが。
ダメだ、セツナ。ジュアンさんを殺すな。殺さなければ殺される。いつまであっちの時代を引きずっている。
I feel like there's a different way to do it. If you just beat his ass, maybe you get the cat out of him. Just beat the cat out of him. Beat the pussy out of him. She's like, damn it, you're soft and you're making me soft. I don't like it. That actually worked. Well, I'll be damned. How did he fit all those bones into a... There we go. Look at her looking like this bitch. Every time she squints, all I can think about is this bitch.
またわけのわからんこと。まあいいじゃねえか。とにかく依頼は果たしたぜ。それはそっちの都合だ。
Child, this man is never going to give you the correct amount of money. Go find somebody else. Go find somebody else. I'm telling you. Oh, that's how they got there. That's where they land. Okay, now we're getting back to the beginning. There we go. Cool beans. Bruh. I love these little adventures. It's just like, it's nice getting to see them in the world. And I want to know, like, listen, Miyoka, if you can talk about Master Inuyasha, I'm going to need you to fill us in. Okay? Like, what sword does she have if she doesn't have the Tessaiga? Like, the Kunmeba starts with the K. I don't know what sword she got. But this is just a real cute adventure so far. You know what I want. You know what I want. But I am enjoying the characters and I am enjoying the adventure. And Setsuna, let me tell you something. Her face, she be having me dying. It's that bitch. Like, that face. Like, you bitch. Like one of those faces. And I enjoy it. I enjoy every ounce of it. So, on that note, guys, thanks for hanging with me. Hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Bye! I gotta take apart my Xbox.